Hey Cubers, it's me again for today's daily scramble example solve. So again, the scramble will be in the description. Okay, so that's it. The first thing we'll do, standard thing, we'll be just looking for our for some structures, and we immediately see this. Here is one structure, and then return. Here is one pair structure, which is better than this kind of structure, this kind of center edge structure, and then also a center edge structure here. So that's it. That's the only structures. So we see there is white face of pair is always more valuable, as I said, and then there's white face on this pair. So we know that this one, our first block will be orange white first block. And then we have to look for the pair. The center is right here. The orange center is right here. And then we have to look for the edge that pair with this corner. And this should be orange-blue edge, and it's right here. So it's a very good shape that you should know. Just F D prime. You will form the first square. Okay, and then let's look ahead into the second pair. And then we'll be looking for orange white corner. So it's this one, orange white green, and then orange green will be with this edge. The edge orange green edge will be here, and they could be formed like just one move. But of course, the problem is that these two would disrupt this first square. The center will be missing. One way we can think about this is like we can form a pseudo first square first, and then we insert this pair, and then we fix the center later. But for this case, because nothing is on the S line, like our first block has nothing on the S lines, so we can just do an S prime move to bring the center with the edge. Okay, so that's our first square, and then we have to look for our DR edge, which is opposite to this orange white, so it will be orange red right here. And then so we just track it, right? It will be brought here by S prime move, and then D prime move will bring it sorry, D prime move will bring it here, and then because we will have to soft pair, we have to do it R2 and then B2, right? So what we can do is to just do a R wide R to bring it to the top, and then do a outer R and then B2 to insert. So let's and then the DR edge will be facing top right here, which is a very good case. So we'll just get started. S prime, D prime, wide R, outer R, B2. And then we immediately see there is a pair here, so we will just solve this pair. Meanwhile, we solve the DR edge, and it will be like this. Bring the DR edge on top, and then we move do a wide R, and then we move this pair away, and then we do a R2, and then we insert this pair, and then we just do a wide R move. And then the second pair is here, very obvious. Like you can probably look ahead into this corner, but this edge just pop up from nowhere basically. So and then we just solve this pair, which is like this. And then this CMLL case, you can see that it's soon, and then but this soon, this one are opposite, but this one are also opposite. So we know that it's the soon inserted with a slash case. So this is the CML algorithm, and then we immediately see the UL edges here. You should know the free run cases, so just do it permute these two so that it becomes a stacked free run case, and then we can just put the UL edges at the bottom, and then proceed with the what is called misoriented for C. So we can put it here, and then make AUF to make the corner opposite to the edge. And then because this is L case, we know that this thing we have to bring this thing right here. and then yeah, D2 to solve the UL edges, and then we have to bring this here, and then we permute these two edge because we know that the two green thing will be brought to here, and then we can just do MU2, and then we just we just solve the rest, right? And that's it for this scramble.